Hello po. Hello. Hi, Kat. Why, Sabin? Jigming! Baby. This one, baby, oh. The third one. I'm gonna wait. You know, it's so cute. Can I try that one? The third one, baby. I'm excited now. Baby Jigming. Baby, can I try the one more? You know, I can't. Hi, GR. Baby Jigming. I'm not excited for it. Why? You know, it's so cute. I'm gonna try this like this, oh. Please. Baby one, please. I'm excited to see you. Dance, baby. Jigme is is gonna drop the summer one. Baby GR. Baby. The third one. You know, Jigme, that's my favorite. But if you want to talaga, if you don't have enough money, you just need to just drop this one only. It's only 500. But if you want you can drop there.